buttons are connected to your friends over there. You click the wrong button, and well, some of your friends are going to get a very loud noise in their ear.
What?
You just a child. Here I come home and get you. But mess up the eye. You supposed to be my boy.